How to fix missing chat history sync in Messenger. So guys, this is very easy. Let's get started. Friends, I'm going to show you 2 methods to fix missing chat history sync. First, open the Messenger app. Then tap the 3 lines at the top. Now tap the settings icon from the top right side. The settings layout may look a little different depending on your device, but the steps are almost same. Now scroll down and go to privacy and safety. Then tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. After that, go into message storage or secure storage. Here you will see a section called how you sync your chat history. If you don't see this option, you can skip this step and go to the second method, which can better solve your problem. And if it is available, first tap on Save Key in Google Drive. Then tap Continue with Google. Now select your Google account. Allow any permissions it asks for and carefully read the agreements before continuing. Once it is enabled, select the Reset PIN option. Now create your PIN and confirm it. Now go to the More Options section. This part is very important. Make sure AutoSync is turned on. Now let's move to the second method for those who still can't fix missing chat history sync. The simple solution is to uninstall Messenger because this often fixes stuck or broken sync issues. After uninstalling, restart your phone once. Then go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Messenger. Install it again. Now log in using only your main Facebook account and don't switch networks during the first login process. And still having a problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.